In this assignment, we're going to create a table inside of a Word document. But before we begin making the table, I want you to put your name, date, and period on your paper. And then I want you to press enter or return twice. Then we need to insert the table. So you're going to come up here and you're going to click on insert. And then you're going to go to table. And we're going to make this table 3 columns, 4 rows. And the columns go up and down and the rows go sideways. So this is going to be the 3 columns which go all the way down, and we're going to make 4 rows. So that's a 3 column, 4 row table. And then we're going to click it. And then it makes our table. So now we're going to input some data into this table to help you identify the columns from the rows and vice versa. So we're going to call this first cell right here, we're going to call it column 1. Then we're going to go to the next one. We're going to call it column 2. And then we're going to press the down arrow and go to the left twice. And we're going to title this one row 1. And this would be row 2. And this would be row 3. Now what we're going to do is input the value in here to help you understand how the rows and columns intersect and how to identify them. So we're going to call this cell right here, we're going to call it row 1, column 1. Wait, let me fix this one. Made a typing mistake. Always talking about you guys and your typing, and I'm up here making a mistake. It's all good. All right, then we're going to go to this next one. This is row 2, column 1. And what row is this? That's row 3, column 1. Then we're going to press the right arrow, go up 2. We're going to call this row 1, column 2. Row 2, column 2. Row 3, column 2. So that's it for the input or the values that I want you to put into the cells. But now I want you to design the table a little bit, put a design on it. So we're going to click inside the table to bring up this table tools. If you're clicked outside of the table tools is not up there. So you got to click inside the table. It brings up table tools, and we're going to go to design. So these are different designs you guys could choose for the table. Changes the table. You have a lot to choose from. You have all of these. You can select some of these. But for this assignment, I want you to choose this design. So that's the design, and that's your assignment. When you get done with the assignment, this is what it should look like. If you guys have any questions, feel free to ask me anytime you guys see me or while you're doing the assignment. I'll come around, check your work, see if you're doing it properly. But let's get to it. Get the assignment done, turn it in on time. I'll see you on the next assignment.